The VEVOR 5-50 ml liquid filler is designed with a reinforced handle and smart spring mechanism, ensuring an effortless and durable filling experience. This manual filling machine features clear, easy-to-read scale markings, allowing for precise adjustments of filling quantities from 5 to 50 milliliters. With a height-adjustable shelf and 2 nozzle options, the machine accommodates various container sizes and ensures efficient, spill-free filling. Constructed from food-grade materials, the filler is not only durable and resistant to corrosion, but also safe for handling high temperatures up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. The stainless steel dispensing nozzles are engineered with a drip-proof design to provide a smooth, clog-free operation, enhancing user confidence and stability. This robust machine is an ideal choice for filling a variety of liquids, including milk, water, juice, shampoo, and honey, making it a versatile tool for both home and professional use.